Hi, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a minimum and maximum product collection limit for wholesale orders in your Shopify store. For example, if you want your wholesale customers to order at least 10 but not more than 50 items for a specific collection, this video will help you to easily set up that inside your wholesale store. Let's see how this works. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this minimum and maximum collection limit, I'm using B2B Wholesale Order Limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and you can click on Order Limits. Now go for the Create New Rule and select Collection Limit. Since we are limiting the product as a collection, we can select the second option. Now you can just name your rule, like let's say minimum and maximum rule set for window collection. Here I am planning to give this minimum and maximum quantity or rule for my winter collection products. If you have any description which is completely an optional one, you can add up here which describes the rule much more. Like I'm just adding rule set for winter collection has minimum quantity of 10 and maximum of 50 for all the wholesale customers. So this rule will describes the summary of the rule, like this should be a winter collection and will be having a minimum quantity and a maximum quantity limit, and it will be available for the all wholesale customers. So in customer targeting, I'm selecting all customers. If you need to specifically restrict this for the customers having some tag, then you can choose the second option. And if you need to restrict this by customers who spend above a amount of limit, then you can go for the third option. And in case of collection limits, you can add some collections by clicking on this. This will list all the collections available in the store. I'm planning to add this limit for the winter collection, which is having only 4 products. If you have multiple collections to add up, you can just select from here and then choose the one from here. And I'm planning to give a minimum quantity of 10 and a maximum of 50. So if you need to apply individual product limit, like this winter collection is having 4 products, and among these 4 products, if you need to give any restriction based on the individual product, you can enable it from here. Otherwise, you can disable it. And in case of advanced settings, you can customize your error message or restriction message by enabling this and add those wordings and all from here. Otherwise, you can disable it, which means the by default message will be available in the checkout. And if you need to show this error messages in the cart, you can just enable from here. Otherwise, disable this so that this by default restriction will be available in the checkout. So after adding all these details, make sure that the status is active and then go for saving the changes. Now let's try or let's test this setup in our online store. So this is one of the products which is out of the collection. So I'm trying to buy only a 5 products here, which is the below 10. So there won't be any messages populated here because this product is out of our collection 1, which is the winter collection. Now let's try with our winter collection product. So my cart is having this product 5 in number, which is the winter collection 1. So I'm added 5 products here. Now you can see that the minimum error quantity message is populated here. So currently I'm only having 5 products. So I have to add 5 more products to get the minimum quantity level to achieve. So let's try now with 15 and check out it. Now the minimum quantity criteria has been applied and this error messages has gone. Now let's test with the maximum quantity limit. Now we have a maximum quantity limit as 50. Now let's try to check out 60 products. So I have added 60 products to the cart. Now the error messages has been shown like the quantity of this collection cannot be exceed 50. Currently we have 60, which is the out of our maximum quantity limit. So this is how you can restrict the minimum and maximum product collection limit for the wholesale orders in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your wholesale store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.